are the wheels. Here's the 73 Challenger. These are the wheels that I sold. I barter. We're gonna barter. Reduce some of my paint fees. Look at it, guys. Those are the wheels I originally wanted. He hit it all. Beautiful car. Beautiful Challenger that is right there. What a day, what a day, what a day. Those wheels, oh my God. Those wheels, that's all it needed, Alan. That's all that it needed.
I got the mullets in there.
Oh
the Joe Dirt mullets.
Really?
Yeah, we was cruising around the other day.
Man, this thing looks so good, and it sounds even better. Look at the steering. Look at that. That's the way it should be, just like
you need
that.
To cut that one exhaust pipe off a little bit lower.
Oh yeah, just a little right there. I see it. Yeah. This car is for sale, guys. Phone numbers on there, as you can see. If there's any interest, it's here. It's built. It's a 340. Yep. 340 in the car. Everything is built. Runs good. It's been painted by Allen's Collision. Interior is green. It's a nicer, as opposed to just, it has a pattern green, I believe. Matte hood. Black. When was the car painted?
What, maybe 8 months ago?
8 months ago. It's painted. You can see the stripe this here. This is actually painted on. This is not a vinyl stripe. It's actually painted on, so.
Put new gauges.
It's all together. It looks so good.
Put a tri-pack of gauges in it, new tack in it the other day.
Let's check the inside.
Battery in it. The torque converter really made a big difference.
Interior. Gauges. Windows are already tinted.
Yeah, we gotta do some work to the windows yet.
It's ready to go if you're looking for a good running car. You're in the Ohio area or anywhere where you can get this car shipped. Feel free to contact. You've seen the number on the car. Updated a lift in the shop a month ago. There is the race car here. This is his special race car. Now this car here is a 69 Mustang, and his color is the same color that I painted the stripe on my 68 Mustang that you see is the same on the channel that I've built and I sold. But this is the same gray, so it's a one-off gray for his car, and I use it for my stripe when I built the black Mustang. All stripes are painted on and not vinyl. That's what we like to paint it on, not vinyl. These are also the wheels that were on another set of wheels I had that he picked up. Here's another set of wheels I had that he picked up. Let's get the rest of the stuff so we can get back to Palm Beach and check on the Punisher. Wow, really? Wow, this is so nice.
After that whole deal, Bonnie can go do his thing. I don't.
There's another. Now, whose is this one here, Alan?
That is Dennis Mitchell.
Oh, this is nice. What year is it? Let me.
64 and a half.
64 and a half. Now, what did you do to this one here?
Everything.
Really?
Yep, fuel injection, new motor, new transmission, new rear ends, all new brakes, all new suspension, almost all new body, new interior.
This was, you painted this as well.
Yep.
Original color?
Yes. Not for the car, but for the year.
Oh yeah, he has some nice upgrades down here as well. See the disc brakes?
He put a lot of goodies in this thing.
This Mustang country out here.
Yeah, we like them.
Beautiful. Oh, the inside is, everything is damn new.
Yeah. Trying to find that.
Pretty.
The guys from Bitchin' Rides made a plaque for him and then signed it for him.
God, okay.
And then he got his, he loved it. But he's a waxer.
Okay, wow. So when was that?
This was over the weekend.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah,
this
we
is
hauled it
our
up
recent.
there. We got a couple more little things.
And what
to
state?
show.
Were you in Missouri? Or in Missouri?
No, Missouri was the Chevelle.
Okay, okay.
This one, we took this to good guys in Columbus.
Oh, Columbus, okay. So that was this weekend, okay.
Yeah. Well, we put it in, but a guy down the road.
Oh, wow.
We got a piece that goes up here that we got to put on yet.
Close to the top,
Yeah.
yeah. See, that's what I'm going to do for the...
I told him to put a monitor up there. That way when he's at a car
that'd
show,
be
he
nice.
could be
You
watching
can show
TV
it
or playing
exactly.
games.
Oh, that would be extremely easy. I think I've seen that at Autorama before.
Well, you're
Yeah,
sitting
this
there
is
all
neat.
day doing nothing.
Yeah, this
Why
is
not
neat.
have something to do?
This is neat. This is really neat. I should check into your people because there's certain things about the...
Well, I don't know.
It's
Now,
one of
this
this
is all
leather.
vinyl.
What is this? Right, vinyl.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see the LED lights. Oh, that is amazing. Wait,
All
this
new
is top
gauges.
notch. Oh, this is top notch. AC. He has AC, right?
No, it does
It
not.
doesn't have AC? Okay.
That'll probably be over winter.
Okay.
He said he didn't need AC with a convertible, but
Well,
I
I guess
guarantee you he's going to end up with
absolutely.
AC. We're already talking about putting a little mini blower under the hood.
This truck right here is owned by a dentist, correct? Is it dentist?
Eye surgeon.
Eye surgeon. Eye surgeon.
It's just about ready for turn.
I see. Jaded, we also own a truck, something similar, but ours is I think it's a 48 Ford. I bought 3-4 months ago. I haven't done anything with it yet because I too many projects, not enough time, too many projects. As you can see, guys, I'm now leaving the Allen's Collision, Bucharest, Ohio, now headed back to my home state, and I will be visiting Pondy's Performance. The next time you see me, we'll be pulling up at Pondy's Performance Speed Shop to check on the Punisher and drop off that. Alright, catch you there. They did it well. After 2 hours of driving, and 2 hours of continuously hearing my other phone go off, finally arrived in the vicinity of Pondy's Performance. About to pull up here, do what's necessary, check out the status, and get an update for you guys. So next time you see us, we'll be pulling in. One more left. It's right here, and we finally arrived. Took us long enough. The beginning of the end has come. So we're here. Let's go. What I tell you, that phone goes off all day. Next view will be on the inside. These are the cars that are out here. A lot of race cars. More and more and more. We are back. We are back. What's up? What's up? What's up, B? Update from yesterday. Getting all that cleaned up. Alright. Want to get this mounted. Oh, okay. See it, Mark? I got accomplished what I came for today. Drop the other mirror. I came to also grab the door panels so I can take them and get them right. They're not in yet. They will be here later today. So I'm not going to hang out for that before the well going. The next time we come back, that quarter panel will be in the car. Sign off. I thank you for spending your day with us. Got a chance to see a little bit of the cars. But we're going to get out of here now. We may get by here tomorrow. Again, this is another day in Jaded World, another busy day. It was work, but it was personal work, not work, but nevertheless, another day in the books. So, thank you for spending your day with me, as I said earlier, and we will catch you on the next vlog.